So I realized I haven't been doing Python for a long time, and I decided to do a video on the if and else function like I promised, and I'll also do the random, how to get a random, how to get a random number. So I get a new file, and first the if and else function. So first you have to define a variable for the if and else function. So let's just do number is equal to 5. Okay, next, if number is equal to, and for this in Python we always use two equal signs when doing an if function. So if number 5 is equal to 5, then print hello world, my number is 5. Okay, and then we have to do the, and then there's also like, what if it's not 5? Then what do we do? Of course we can just leave it blank and say don't do anything, but we can also do else. If it's anything else, then print hello world, my number is not 5. And then you can also do, and then there's also another thing you can do. You can do the elif function. Elif number is equal to 6, and so the number, so elif is just like, if it's not number 5, it's just like a different version of if. Like if it's not number 5, then what do you do? Then you want to do something. You can always use another if, but I find elif much easier. 6. So now if we change this to 6, then when we run it, we have to save it first. Thingy, and hello world, my number is 6. And now if we want to change it to 5, then we run it and get hello world, my number is 5. And there's also, you can use the loop function, which I'll teach you next time, to get whatever you want, like hello world, my number is whatever, in a really large sequence. But what if you want the number to be random? You don't want to know the number before it runs. Well, what you can do is you have to import random first, because it doesn't have it automatically, it has to import it. And then number is equal to random random.randrange, and then the something number, a number, comma, a different number, and that just tells the range. So what if I wanted 1 to 10? Okay, so now we do if number is equal to 5, then print hello world 5. So, and then what if, because this is the 1 to 10 range, it's gonna take a long time to print if number 4, if number 3, if number 2. So we can just use else, print hello world, and then we can always just use number, but I don't want to do that, and so hello world, my number is not 5, and then we'll also do the way that I didn't want to do it. Hello world, my number is, and then number. So now if we run it and save it, we get hello world, my number is 5, and hello is not 5, and hello world, my number is 4. So it just ran 4 and got, it just ran this thing and got 4.